guys, this is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and this week I made saltfish fritter without the saltfish. What did I replace it with? I replaced it with Norway seaweed. Check it out. Hi guys, as you know, we're back on lockdown and we're all at home. JB, what did you cook this week? Well, I cooked saltfish fritters, as I said, but I use Norway seaweed. You've seen me do it before in many of my recipes. So it has that kind of fishy taste, but without the fish. It's just a vegetable from the sea. But before I carry on, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and press that bell button so that anytime I put up a new video, you know all about it. Now guys, please don't forget to stay to the very end where you'll catch up on my journey this week, me trying my best to get as much things ready for lockdown. And it was bonfire night, so me and my kids and their mates, we all went out into the garden and we had a lovely bonfire night. So stay to the end and check out how we did that. We're going to be on lockdown on Thursday, so last time lockdown my kids' clothes were just like crazy mash up, so I'm going to get vests, pants, all the things that are really mashing up. Oh, and pyjamas. Otherwise, 1 month, maybe 2 months, and the clothes are just getting a little bit shredded.
My pajamas start.
Your pajamas is start. Yeah, your pajamas. But you have lots of.
It's starting to get small.
Yeah, but you have lots of onesies. You're the onesie boy, aren't you? Yeah. I'm here with my neighbour's kids, Afua and Kofi. So we're buying pajamas for everybody. Yeah, but you don't need no more. You don't need these things. See, my son Anaya wants. Look, here's a onesie. Look. Super Mario, do you like that? I'm going to go to the men's section because my son and Kofi, who I'm buying for, they're quite grown. I know I shouldn't really be doing this because I've got to keep these mask things on, but it's hard to breathe. I spotted them pyjamas. So the queue, it was a bad queue, but it's alright. It'll be alright now. What's that? A rainbow. Oh, beautiful. So now it's a mad dash to get my other son who went back to school today. We have spotted a rainbow. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a beautiful rainbow. Didn't rain today and we saw a rainbow. So, mad dash now to pick up my little one. In the end, excuse me, can you shut off? And now it's listening to Cartoon Cat. Could you switch off while I'm talking to my people? And then later, I need to go to IKEA because I need to buy some shelving and I need a new mattress. There's no way I'm going to have a whole month of me sleeping on a really, really dodgy mattress. Guys, it has begun. There is no toilet paper in Morrison's. There is no toilet paper in Aldi. I wasn't going to go and hoard. I just needed my usual, what my family would need. But obviously, lockdown on Thursday, people have started going crazy. Morning all. So, day 2. This is Tuesday, second lockdown. I wanted to get a few bits before because they said, although they said that the lockdown may end 2nd of December or something, the government have also said they cannot guarantee whether or not it will last longer. So I've just dropped my oldest to school and I'm in a dilemma because I also want to get as much gym sessions in as possible, but I'm now thinking I need to go to Aldi to get a few bits. I need to go to IKEA. My mattress that I sleep on is again mash up, you know what I mean? The kids wet it so much times, it's really rubbish. Sorry kids for sharing that, but you know what I mean. But I'm going to do it all first thing in the morning. Maybe I will allow the exercise thing or do the exercise thing later because the kids are going to be with their dad this evening. I still want to move myself because I don't want to get a second lockdown tummy, which I really struggle to keep off. First thing in the morning, yes, I've got some toilet roll. Okay guys, this is the second part of the operation. I had to wait outside to come in and the car park is full at IKEA. It hasn't been, since it's reopened, it hasn't been full like this. So it's not just me that's got this bright idea. Like, I do need a walk, but I just don't want to pay £22 for it. Do you like, maybe if I could bid for what I want, you know what I mean? I want a good walk, but I don't want to pay £22 for it. Look, a £9 walk, and guess what? It's called Tolerant. Should I? £9, it's alright. So I purchased a lot of things. Well, we are going to go into lockdown. I'm going to just wrap up the stuff. I did get the walk for the £9 one, not the £22 one. I still think it's quite a lot of money. I love my car. As you can see, and it's all gone in. Just a little bit more magic and it's all going to go.
Whenever you need someone, whenever you need a friend.
lockdown is here, but I am ready for it. Bonfire night, guys, and woo, there's a lot going off. Lots and lots of bonfires. My son's having a good time, Kai.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, why? What is this business? Yeah, why? So everyone's getting their fireworks now. This is the last one.
Come on, guys, let's give it a round.
Yeah, bonfire night was a good night. This is our vegan burger. Let's show you what's inside. So guys, it's bedtime. It's bonfire night. It's over. Oh, people are pretending that they're snoring. People are pretending that they're snoring, but they sure aren't. I wish they would snore. We're sleeping. So, bonfire night, was it a good time?
Yeah.
Better than last year.
Oh, but last year was good too.
No, it wasn't.
Wasn't good?
We only had one firework.
No, it didn't. Why are you just lying?
No, we had one firework.
You mean one box of fireworks?
Yeah, it was just one box of fireworks.
Okay.
It had one firework in it, and apparently it said it would have 100
Oh yeah,
of
it's
them.
called one shot, and it was supposed to go, bah, 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 but it didn't really do the bah, 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 bah.
The last one was the coolest one. It was like this one that would spin.
Oh yes, the swirly one there that went. Wah,
Like
wah.
a pattern.
Yeah, it was very good. All right.
And almost this one, we almost got hit by the ashes.
Yes. So out of 10.
Because remember that one like exploded.
Yeah. Wait. All right. So out of 10, what would we say?
10 out of 10.
Oh, that's good. And Kai, what would you say for our fireworks?
Same.
So the bottom line is you liked the jerk burger, yeah? We do the jerk burger all the time now.
Good night.
No, good night.
No good night.
I stay up.
You sleep, you're going to bed, mate. Now listen, I've been going on about my single for a very long time, and where is this single? Well, the single would have been ready now, November, but of course we got locked down. And I want to make a video for you. I want a nice photo shoot for you. So I think it'll probably be released in the first or second week of December. So look out for my single Gold in the first and second week of December. My saltfish fritter tasted delicious. Try that recipe. Now guys, if you try my recipes, please let me know. Please send me pictures and message me and tell me how it tastes. Now listen, it's not easy. We're back into lockdown. But listen, if we look out for each other, take care of each other, we'll be fine. I hope you're getting a chance to go out and exercise and at least talk to people on the phone and connect and making sure everybody is okay. So listen, for a healthy vegan option, guess what? I'm your girl. I'm your girl. I will see you next time. Take care.